Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get verified on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the search bar, you need to type for Chrome. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match. Click on open to continue. Wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser. Where here, you need to proceed on the link that you need to copy and paste here at the Google Chrome. So copy it here, copy it there at the description box below and paste it here at the Google Chrome browser. Control V to paste, and once you have pasted it at the Windows search bar, please click on enter to continue. So you would be redirected to this window where it has this guidelines on how to verify your YouTube. Okay. So the very first request or requirement in order to have in order to verify YouTube account is you need to reach 1000 subscribers. Okay. So you can submit a request for channel verification once you have the 1,000, 100,000, sorry, 100,000 subscribers. Okay. So in my case, I don't have that subscribers yet. I don't have that much subscribers, but if you do, you can proceed. Okay. Again, this is one of the requirements, and that is to reach 1,000, 100,000 subscribers. And the next guidelines that you need to follow is you need to make sure you're signed in with the email address for the eligible channel and click your profile picture in the top right and choose that account. Okay. So the important things that you need to keep in mind is verified channels don't get extra features on YouTube. They also don't represent awards, milestones, or endorsement from YouTube. For info on rewards, learn more about YouTube's creators. So click on this link to learn more about it. And here, you need before you can get your verified channel eligibility. After you apply, we'll review your channel. We verify channels that are authentic. So your channels must be authentic. Okay, it must represent the real creator, brand, or entity it claims to be. And they will check different factors to help verify your identity, such as the age of your channel. And they also ask for more info or documentation. Next is your channel must be complete. So your channel must be public and have a channel banner, description, and profile picture. And the channel also needs to have content and be active on YouTube. Okay? Again, you need to reach 1000 subscriber first before you can apply on the verification of your channel. Okay? So they will also distinguish your channel without verification. If your channel isn't verified, here are some ways to distinguish your channell from similar channels. You use a use a unique channel name or handle that represents who you are and the type of content you publish. Use a high quality image for your profile picture to make your channel look professional in search results. And you need to customize your channel layout and branding for a personalized look and feel on your channel homepage. So those are the guidelines and important things to remember or to keep in mind before applying or for applying verification badges on channels. Again, once you have reached this 1000 subscribers in your YouTube channel, you can now get the option here which would say apply now. In my case, I don't have such since and as what I have said earlier, I'm not getting this much subscribers yet. Okay, but in your case, if you do have 1000 subscribers, then proceed on the option here which says apply now. Okay, all you need to do is you need to type your account name and account ID, and there you have it. Okay, so simply close this window and you're good to go. Hopefully, you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.